In this video, you'll learn how to use bookmarks in SAP Community. You have the ability to bookmark individual questions, blog posts, and tags, including user tags. To bookmark a page, click on this icon on the upper right. You'll see that the image changes to indicate that you've bookmarked successfully. If you no longer wish to bookmark a page, simply click the icon again. You'll find the bookmarks in your profile. From this section, you can search, filter, and rename bookmarks. You can also create new labels or apply your existing labels to help you group similar bookmarks together. Please note that this section will include anything you bookmark from SCN. Following the migration of SCN to SAP Community, some of these bookmarks may be broken. In these cases, you'll need to delete the bookmarks manually. And there you have it. So go ahead and start bookmarking all the things that interest you, and you'll have a convenient way to access your favorite content.